Are you looking for a way to increase your income and change your life? This AI avatar is the answer. This incredible technology is revolutionizing the online space, allowing entrepreneurs like you to tap into enormous earning potential like never before. With AI avatar, you'll get support and guidance you need to success in the digital age. So, what are we waiting for? Join us today and start making money with AI avatar. Let's jump straight to business.
Wow, PhotoAI sounds like an excellent and unique tool. I can understand why you're excited to tell your friends about it. Let me tell you a bit more about what makes PhotoAI stand out. PhotoAI uses cutting-edge artificial intelligence algorithms to create new images based on your 10 photos. This means you can get a wide variety of pictures based on your style and preferences. The photos are not just randomly generated, they are generated based on the features and patterns the AI has learned from your photos. And the best part is that the process is speedy and efficient. You can expect to receive your new images within 24 hours of submitting your order. That's much faster than scheduling a photo shoot and waiting for the photos to be processed. And let's talk about the different available styles. With PhotoAI, you can choose from a wide range of styles, including professional, trout, Polaroid, pop, royal, movie, celebrity, and meme packages. There's something for everyone, whether you want a classic professional look, a fun and quirky Polaroid style, or a pop culture-inspired meme. And the pricing is affordable too. With packages starting at just $15 for 30 photos, you can get a deal on high quality. You can get a great deal on high-quality AI-generated images. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even try out one of the unique photo packs, such as the LinkedIn pack, Tinder pack, Celebrity pack, or Meme pack. These packs are priced from $19 to $25 each, allowing you to choose a specific background and get images tailored to your needs. It's also worth noting that PhotoAI is currently in beta testing, which means that the technology is still experimental and there is a possibility of unexpected results and artifacts. However, the site is constantly updating its resources, and they are working to improve the processing times, which may be a little longer due to higher than normal demand. One thing that sets PhotoAI apart from other photo editing tools is that it's powered by artificial intelligence. This means it can analyze your photos and create new images based on what it has learned. This gives you a vast variety of images to choose from, all of which are based on your style and preferences. Another advantage of using PhotoAI is the speed and efficiency of the process. You can expect to receive your new images within 24 hours of submitting your order, which is a lot faster than traditional photo studios. And with pricing starting at just $15 for 30 photos, you can get a great deal on high-quality images that are perfect for your needs. Of course, as with any technology, still in the experimental stage, there may be some unexpected results and artifacts. However, the PhotoAI team is constantly updating its resources and improving the technology to deliver the best possible results. And if you're not completely satisfied with your images, they offer a risk-free service so that you can feel confident in your purchase. And let's remember the fun aspect of PhotoAI. With so many different styles, you can get quirky and fun images or classic and professional ones. Whether you're looking for a new profile picture, an avatar, or just some fantastic photos to share with your friends, PhotoAI has you covered. So there you have it, a more detailed look at PhotoAI and all the fantastic things it offers. Whether you're looking for a new profile picture, a unique avatar, or just some fun and quirky images, PhotoAI is worth checking out. Have you heard of AvatarAI yet? It's a revolutionary tool that lets you turn yourself into a photorealistic AI avatar. And let me tell you, the possibilities are endless. You can choose from 112 plus different styles, ranging from punk desert warrior to jungle Instagram model to video game protagonist, and let your imagination run wild. It's like becoming whoever you want to be, all with just a few clicks of a button. The process is simple. After payment, you get a link to upload your photos and start the creation process. The service uses advanced AI algorithms like Stable Diffusion and Dream Booth to generate avatars that look just like you but in the styles you choose. They recommend taking 10 close-up photos of your face, 3 profile shots from the site, 5 chest height photos, and 3 full-length photos. The more different your images are, the better the results will be. High-quality photos work best, and it's important to remember to look away from the camera and have a variety of facial expressions and backgrounds. And it's not just for humans. You can turn your furry friends into AI avatars too. Imagine being able to have your pet portrait in a punk desert warrior style or a jungle Instagram model. The options are endless. And if you're in a relationship, why not turn yourselves into a couple and show off your unique style to the world? The first in the world to offer AI photos, AvatarAI uses artificial intelligence to turn your small square AI avatar into a full-size 2:3 AI photo in 4K resolution. It's a great way to save time and money on an actual photo shoot, which can cost anywhere from $300 to $3,000. You can get over 120 4K AI avatars with AvatarAI for just $367. The AI visualization model used by the service, Stable Diffusion, was created by many researchers at LMU Munich and Runway ML with the support of Emad Mostak and others at StableDojo. Meanwhile, DreamBooth, an open-source deep learning generation model, was developed by researchers such as Nathaniel Ruiz of Google Research and Boston University in 2022. It allows you to train AI visualization models to be who you are in photos, and then generate any image in any style you want. Creating your avatars takes about 46 minutes, and AvatarAI accepts payments through various methods including credit or debit cards, MasterCard, Visa, American Express, Ideal, SoftWorld, Bancontact, Prelevi24, GeoPay, EPS, GrabPay, Alipay, and many others. But unfortunately, they do not accept PayPal or cryptocurrency and do not plan to shortly. In addition to creating AI avatars and photos, AvatarAI also offers other features that make the experience even more enjoyable. For example, users can use the built-in photo editor to adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, and other settings for each avatar. This way you can fine-tune your avatars to make them look even more like you, or adjust the style to your preference. Another cool feature is the ability to create personalized animations with your AI avatars. You can use the animations as your profile pictures on social media, as a way to introduce yourself in a video, or as a fun way to share your personality with friends and family. The animations are created using a combination of AI algorithms and motion graphics, and are sure to be a hit on social media. The AI avatars and photos created by AvatarAI can also be used for various purposes. For example, an AI avatar can be the perfect solution if you're looking for a new profile picture for your social media account. They are unique, stylish, and a fun way to showcase your personality. You can also use them for professional purposes, such as creating a LinkedIn profile picture or as a professional profile photo for your resume or portfolio. Another excellent use for AvatarAI is for dating purposes. If you're looking for a new way to show off your personality and interests, why not create an AI avatar of yourself in a style that represents who you are? You can create a romantic couple's avatar with your significant other, or even a pet portrait of your furry friend. The possibilities are endless. In conclusion, AvatarAI is a powerful and innovative tool that allows users to create AI avatars and photos that are photorealistic, fun, and unique. The possibilities are endless with over 112 styles to choose from and the ability to adjust your avatars with the built-in photo editor. So why not try AvatarAI today and see what kind of AI avatar or photo you can create for yourself? Hey! Have you heard of ReadyPlayerMe yet? It's an awesome cross-game avatar platform for the meta universe that lets you create and customize 3D avatars using selfies. And let me tell you, the customization options are endless. With over 300 choices and the ability to import NFTs, you can make your avatar truly reflect your unique personality. That's not even the best part. You can use your customized avatar in over 7,000 supported apps and games. And for the developers, ReadyPlayerMe offers a seamless integration platform with Unity and Unreal Engine SDKs. That means you can integrate the avatar platform into your own apps and games in just a matter of hours. And recently, the team at ReadyPlayerMe launched ReadyPlayerMe Labs, giving developers and users early access to experimental designs and features. The first release of Labs includes an AI-based avatar creator using DALL-E to generate unique textures based on user requests. And in response to popular demand, the team now allows users to customize tops, pants, and shoes. But the team at ReadyPlayerMe has even bigger plans for the future of avatar customization. They are working on AI-powered stylization, gender-neutral body types, different body shapes, and age preset to add even more variety and personalization options for users. And with the latest version of the Unity SDK, 1.11.0, you can now take advantage of the Render API directly in the Unity SDK to create 2D rendered avatars for leaderboards or user profiles in your game. Plus, with the addition of runtime avatar caching, loading multiple avatars is now more efficient and faster for users. And the SDK includes SDK Logger, a debugging tool that helps you keep track of the avatar load and status. And that's just the tip of the iceberg regarding what the ReadyPlayerMe platform has to offer. But that's not all. The team behind ReadyPlayerMe is always working on new and exciting updates and features to improve the platform. They are constantly listening to the community and gathering feedback to ensure they deliver what users want. And they also host regular events and contests where users can showcase their creativity and win fantastic prizes. So whether you're a gamer, developer, or just looking for fun and unique way to express yourself, ReadyPlayerMe is the perfect platform. With endless customization options, fun features, and constant updates, there's no limit to what you can create and achieve in the meta universe. So why wait? Sign up today and join the fun. Have you ever wanted to showcase your product in the best possible light, but wanted to avoid going through the hassle of manual photo shoots or editing? Well, look no further. Meet StableDojo, the revolutionary AI photo studio that allows you to create stunning product photos and avatars easily. StableDojo automatically enhances product photos, so you don't have to worry about manual labor or photo shoots. It allows you to adjust lighting, color, and composition according to your preferences to get the exact look you want for your product. Whether you create photos for a specific event or just want to showcase your product uniquely and creatively, StableDojo has you covered. But that's not all. With StableDojo, you can create avatars of people, pets, or even fictional characters. Your imagination only limits you. You can add your own cues and let your creativity run wild. Creating an avatar or product photo with StableDojo is simple. And the best part, you can do it all in just a matter of minutes. StableDojo is priced based on usage, so you only pay for what you need. It includes access to support, a computer with the A3090, community activities, tutorials, and the ability to run up to 30 requests. The models typically take 20 minutes to run, so you don't have to wait hours to get your photos. And if you're not satisfied with your experience, StableDojo offers a 14-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it out risk-free. StableDojo's community activities and tutorials are a great way to connect with other users and learn new tips and tricks. You'll have access to a vibrant community of like-minded individuals eager to share their knowledge and experiences. Whether you're looking to improve your skills or just want to be part of a community that shares your passion, StableDojo is the perfect place to be. Moreover, StableDojo offers an incredible experience for users of all skill levels. Whether you're a professional photographer or just someone who loves to experiment with new technology, StableDojo is easy to use and provides excellent results every time. And if you run into any issues, the support team is always available to help you. In conclusion, if you're looking for a fun and easy way to create stunning products, photos, and avatars, then StableDojo is a perfect choice. With its automated enhancements, customization options, and user-friendly interface, you'll be able to create the photos of your dreams in no time. So what are you waiting for? Give StableDojo a try today. Epic Avatar is a company that revolutionizes how people think about profile images. With its advanced artificial intelligence technology, Epic Avatar allows users to create their very own AI avatars from their photos. This is not just any ordinary avatar, but an AI-powered representation of yourself that is unique and unlike anything you've seen before. The process is simple and user-friendly. All you need to do is upload 15-20 photos of yourself, taken from different angles and without sunglasses, and Epic Avatar's AI algorithms will do the rest. These photos will be used to train the AI model and create up to 200 avatars that are based on your facial and body features, personal preferences, and other elements in the photos. The waiting time is around 24 hours, And once the process is completed, you will receive an email with a link to download your avatars. With these avatars, you can have fun and play around with your online presence. You can use them to personalize your social media profiles, prank your friends, or even use them as profile images in multiplayer games. The resulting avatars are not just your typical profile images. They are an expression of your individuality as interpreted by the AI, and they can be as quirky, funny, and weird as they come. Some users might even find that their avatars look nothing like them, but that's all part of the fun. It's like taking a peek into the mind of the AI and seeing how it interprets your personality. Epic Avatar offers a money-back guarantee for users who are not satisfied with the results, but most people find that the avatars are genuinely one of a kind. The company also provides tutorials and answers to frequently asked questions on its website to help users get the most out of the tool. The avatars created by Epic Avatar are not just for personal use. They can be used to personalize your social media profiles, to prank your friends, or as profile images in multiplayer games. The sky's the limit when it comes to using these avatars. David Grahovy and Václav Popusek are the co-founders of Epic Avatar, and they are based in Brno, Czech Republic. The company uses Prime Hammer technology and can be contacted via email or Instagram. Currently, there is no affiliate program in place, but the company is considering implementing one. In conclusion, Epic Avatar is a fascinating AI and graphics technology experiment. It offers users a chance to see themselves in a whole new light and to explore the limits of what is possible with AI. Whether you're looking for a fun new profile image or simply curious about the capabilities of AI, Epic Avatar is the perfect tool for you. So why not try it and join the future of profile images today?